Hey, what's up guys? It's Joey from Low and Slow Barbecue, and today we're cooking some tilapia. Check this out.
So what we're doing is we're going to take all of our ingredients and we're going to mix them together in this bowl. We're going to have our brown sugar, ground cumin, salt, paprika, oregano, black pepper, and garlic, and mix it up. Now we're going to take it and we're going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a couple of tablespoons of that. We're going to make sure that we rub it into the meat. We do both sides of it. Then we want to apply our seasoning in a generous portion. Now this is personal preference. I like a pretty good bit on mine, so I'm going to go a little bit heavy. Just like that, your fish is seasoned and ready to go. Today we're going to be working on the Pit Boss KC combo, and we're going to be using the griddle. Now we're going to take this fish and we're going to toss it on here. This griddle is already hot. We've got it ready to go. As you can tell, it's starting to sear already, guys. It's going to be so great. Man, look at that Pit Boss going to work with that griddle. It looks awesome. It's going to taste even better than it looks. We're getting close to the end, so we're going to take them, we're going to flip them one more time. I'm going to press them just to make sure it's got a little bit of a sear, and then we're going to plate them.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that tilapia as much as I did. Check us out next week. We're going to be posting more videos about seasonings. We're going to be talking about seasoning ribs, chicken, fish, all kind of stuff, and we're going to give you the secrets to all the seasonings coming up on our next video. So make sure you stay tuned, and if you like what you've seen here today, make sure to like and subscribe down below in the link, and we'll be seeing you guys. Keep it low and slow.